Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your battle deck on Frag Pro Shooter game. So let's get started. First, open the Frag Pro Shooter game on your device. Tap on the deck option from the left side of your screen. In the battle deck section, scroll through your cards and select the one you want to use. Tap on the card to highlight it. Once you have selected the card, tap on the Use button to prepare it for your deck. Now, tap on the card in your deck that you want to replace with the new card. The new card will take its place in your battle deck. And this is how you can edit your battle deck on Frag Pro Shooter game. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.